Hello students, here's a question from jeeadvance 2023 from 3D which says let P be the plane as given and S be the set containing vectors alpha I, beta j and gamma k such that alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is 1 and the distance of the point alpha, beta, gamma from the plane P is 7 by 2. Let U, V, W be three distinct vectors in S, the set S as above, such that modulus of U minus V vector is equal to modulus of V vector minus W vector is equal to modulus of W vector minus U vector. If V is the volume of the parallelopiped determined by the vectors U, V and W, then what is the value of the given expression 80 by root 3 into V? So we'll start by understanding these statements which are given to us first and then solve the problem. First of all, what is the distance of this plane from origin? The distance comes out as 16 by 4, that is 4 units. Further, we are given that alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to 1, which can be seen as distance of the point alpha, beta, gamma from origin is 1. Since you can see it as distance formula, which is telling the distance of the point alpha, beta, gamma from origin. So distance of this point is also 1. Further, the points whose position vectors are u, v and w, they follow this equation. That means their distance from origin is also going to be 1. So if you try to visualize the situation, we can see the situation. This is the plane P as told in the question, and this is the locus, which is a sphere on which the points whose position vectors are given, they lie. Now you can see the radius of the sphere will be equal to 1 and the center will be origin. Now the distance of these points from the plane is 7 by 2, that means this distance is 7 by 2. Further, we have checked that the distance of the plane from origin is 4. So the net difference, this distance, has to be 4 minus 7 by 2, and that comes out as half. So that means you can look at this red circle on which the points whose position vectors are u, v and w, they lie. So now we can call these points as A, B and C, whose position vectors are given as small u, small v and small w. Now this is origin from where these vectors are coming to these points, and since their modulus of difference, that is modulus of u minus v is equal to modulus of v minus w is equal to modulus of w minus u, it clearly means this triangle ABC becomes equilaterals, since that means the length of the sides are equal. So we have to now look at the equilateral triangle ABC. Now if we go back to the earlier diagram, we can see that this distance is 1 and this distance is half. So as a result, we can find the radius of the circle using Pythagoras. It will be root over 1 square minus half square, and this gives us the radius of the circle, which is root 3 by 2. So the circle in which this equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed has radius, that is circumradius of the triangle, will be root 3 by 2, and therefore the length of side of the equilateral triangle will be equal to 2r sine A using the sine rule. Since it is equilateral, so the value of angle A will be 60 degrees, and this comes out as 3 by 2. So length of side we have found, which is equal to modulus of u minus v or v minus w or w minus u. Now if you take one of them, then squaring both sides, you get this expression. Now modulus of u square is 1 because it's a unit vector, and similarly mod v square is 1. Simplifying further, you get u dot v is equal to minus 1 by 8, and the same will be value of v dot w and also w dot u. So all of these are known to us. Now we can go further. Question asks for the volume of the parallelepiped, which is mod of u dot v cross w, and that can be evaluated by this expression as given here. Now putting the values of these expressions, these elements, you get 1 here, minus 1 by 8 here, and then minus 1 by 8 here, and so on. And then we need to evaluate this expression. On evaluation, the value of u dot v cross w comes out as 9 root 3 by 16. So this is the value of v as given in the question, and therefore, as for the question, the value of 80 by root 3v will come out to be 45, and which is the answer for this question.